Morning, everyone. Welcome to our talk. Remote teaching is rough. Here's how to make it great. On the ride up the hill today, I was a little bothered by that title because it isn't the title that we shopped originally to the committee. It was wordsmithed a little bit. So I want to talk about what I don't like about it and what I think our talk should actually be focused on. So remote teaching is rough, the first part. That's true, it is rough, but teaching itself is rough, right? I mean, if it was easy, everybody could do it. So I'm not sure that remote teaching is rough captures what this talk is going to be about. And also the bit about how to make it great seems to me to be a little bit ostentatiously braggartly, if you will. But let me see if I can explain what I'm talking about here. So let's suppose you graph the greatness of your teaching on the vertical as a function of the time you've been teaching on the horizontal. And let's suppose there's this great line up here that you're shooting for. I'll let you decide where that line is. So when you start your career here, you know, you probably suck. I know I did. And you start down here and you start, as time goes on, you start climbing and climbing, and you screw up some things. And you approach that great line. You learn some stuff. You learn better pedagogy. You learn better ways to communicate with your students. And hopefully you creep up and you creep up and you're doing better and you're doing better as your career goes on. And then something stupid like COVID comes along. Right? Something stupid like COVID comes along and you're up here and wham! We have to relearn how to do our jobs, which is, I think, great in a lot of ways. Not great, but great. So I think what COVID is giving us is an opportunity to head towards this asymptote of greatness again. I think we can get there. I know we can get there. I think COVID is a gift in many ways that we can learn from. So that's why when Andrea and I talked about this talk, it wasn't remote teaching is rough, here's how to make it great. It was remote teaching sucks, here's how to make it suck less. So welcome to our talk.